My name is Caroline Vaxmuth. I am a beauty alchemist. I create beauty products and fragrances. I mix raw materials together and have simple tools and recipes that you can have every day in your kitchen, your fridge or your bathroom. We function in different ways and every minute we're changing. If we have the ability to know ourselves, how we react, and then according to that, what works for us, then we're free and become the master of your own health. Hi guys! Here we are in this institution in San Francisco that's my favorite. It's called Rainbow Groceries. I'm like a kid in front of a candy store. I'm so excited. So here we have like the oils that I usually shop from. And today we are buying 3 oils that go into the water retention recipe. Okay, so today I'm gonna grab Cypress essential oil. In itself is a circulatory oil, so it helps with blood flow. And I'm gonna take the grapefruit essential oil, which first of all smells amazing. It's gonna help the fluid getting out of the body and draining this excess water content. And we're gonna add some rosemary essential oil too. What it does, it oxygenates the system. So the 3 of them together is like a big cocktail. So we're gonna do that together later. Hi guys! Okay, so today we are in my kitchen here. We have all the materials to create the mix that's going to work against water retention. This is one of the books that I had in massage school. This is the lymphatic system. It's part of our circulatory system and they connect to what we call the lymph nodes. And the lymph nodes are located here in the groin area, at the armpit and then in the neck area. This network is responsible for getting rid of all the fluids and unwanted toxin out of the body. So if it's overflown and congested and doesn't want to work properly for all kind of reasons, then you're going to experiment that water retention. So there's a million things you can do. First, water. You drink a lot of water because water is it seems counterintuitive. I'm experiencing water retention, I'm going to drink water, but yes, because it's a diuretic and naturally your body is going to get rid of those fluids. And then of course massage, self-massage, and that's what we're going to get into, how to move the lymph by yourself and how to help yourself with all these beautiful raw materials. So we're gonna do this recipe together. It's the simple thing to do, but the most efficient. So that's what we want: simple, easy, fast. So here we have grapeseed oil, which is a vegetable oil. This is we call the carrier, what you're gonna use in the highest proportion. Then you're gonna put in your measuring bottle up to 50 milliliters. So it's not a lot. Look at this. There we are. And we're going to use 6 drops of rosemary in there. 1. Grapefruit, we do 5. Look at this. I'm obsessed. 5. And then, last one, our cypress, 6 of this one. And see, this is why I love this bottle, this shape, because you can, as if you were making your little, like in the laboratory, you just do it for a little bit, like 30 seconds, and then you're done. And then you're just gonna pour it in your bottle. That's gonna be your massage bottle. Done. You could also put your carrier in this bottle and then add the oil, but then you can shake it, which is also a way, but I just love this process. I don't know, this is just me. But you do as you want, because again, that's what we need to be able to do, is just customize the way we like it, okay? There you go. My suggestion is you take a shower that's towards cold, and then a little bit more warm and a little bit more cold. So you play with temperatures so that it stimulates that blood flow already. You do that in the morning, and then you apply your mixture all over the body. pour into your hands, and then just massage yourself, massage your whole body with it. Go strong, like just go firm. And it's not just applying the oil, it's really massaging, self-massage. So it's a little bit of effort, but it's worth it. With the thumb, it works well. And again, we've just seen that the lymph nodes are around here and around here. So when you massage yourself, you can insist on those regions to stimulate that lymph, always from the ankle up, and just put everywhere. That's everywhere you want these raw materials to work, and drain that lymph and sort out this problem. All right, so now your turn. You're just gonna experiment it for yourself. Tell me how it goes, give me your feedback, and we can take it from there.